Yeah, hi YouTube, it's Michael again. Some of you might remember that I made myself this experiment board based on an ATmega128, and right now I'm in the process of writing example programs to show the capabilities of this board. Right now what I did is using the FT232 on the board to program a little terminal application, so you can connect to this board and sort of communicate with the processor on a, say, simple text-based interface. And this is what I do. I'll show you now. This is the terminal program. I'm using C-Kermit. Proved to be quite good, well, quite in contrast to Minicom, which can be quite a pain. So I'm setting the baud rate, and as you can see, I'm using the TDY USB 0 device. This is the device that is created by the FT232. So now I say C for connect, and now I press a 0, a 1, sorry. So this is the main menu, so to speak. And I can do certain things now. All I can do is say I press 4, and then it dumps me the port status of the ATmega. This is all; those are all the ports with directional, port, and pin registers. And I have some. This is the board, you see, and I have connected those switches here to. This is port E. So. And to demonstrate that it works, let's have a look on status of port E. You can see that the pin register says all 1. This is because it's all set to input, yeah, and the pull-ups are all enabled. So I press one of those now. Well, it's going to prove to be a little hard because I only have one hand. Great. Now let's do something. Let's do something different, right? On port B, this port, I have connected the LEDs. So I'll change the status of this port B. You see? Now all output, and it's all set to 1. So if I set one of them, those 0, it will light up. So that's all. I set all to 0. I have to do this port setup with 3. And this is port B. Press B. I press return and it does nothing. So and I say set this to 0. And what happened right now is that all those LEDs are switched on because now all the outputs are low, which means the LEDs are on. Well, it's nothing spectacular from the application point of view, but let's do back to the main menu and let's see the port status one more time. Port setup 3, now status. And you see now for port B what we did, so setting those 0. So, well, it's not so spectacular from an application point of view, but the funny thing is that, well, you have a little terminal application here, right? And you can do, well, all sorts of stuff. I also have this debug output, which tells you the clock, the MCU control register, and the uptime using the board, using the clock quartz on the board. So with this, it is possible to write sort of an application, so a little console program which allows you to interact with an application, right, and give some controls or output stuff like here. And this is all done via the serial line interface, which the USART interface, which is then converted into a valid USB connection by this USART USB bridge. And this is just, well, this is the demonstration for this capability for this chip. FT232. Well, thanks for watching, and see you soon.